You ready?
I don't like cameras. It makes me want to cry.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You guys might be wondering who this human being is. This is my sister. This is Monica, aka Monster, aka Munni, aka, I guess, Akka. Akka is like how you say sister in like a respectful way in Telugu, which is like the language we speak. And like my whole life, she's like wanted me to say that, but I don't really. My sister's wedding is in less than a month, and we're getting her outfits custom made here in LA. And so she came to get all the fittings done, and before she leaves, literally in a few hours, I was like, listen, Monty, you've gotten out of being in this stuff for 3 years. You gotta like just own it. Mom and dad have done it a few times. I feel like people don't even know I have a sister, and that's becoming really annoying. So we thought it would be really fun if Monica did my makeup.
I don't do makeup.
She doesn't do makeup.
I really don't.
You've gotten better.
Watching your videos.
Good answer. Shameless plug. Growing up, like, how makeup obsessed was I?
Very. Just Posh Spice. There's a reason.
I wanted to be posh. Sometimes I had to be scary though because I was the brown girl. But like at heart, I was posh. You were baby.
I was 40.
Oh, okay.
Because I was the tomboy.
That's true. That's true.
Why.
Oh man, good times. I was always obsessed with the makeup, and Monica was like the good kid.
She was a good kid too.
No, I was. Kids are allowed to mess up.
But that's how it makes you now, right? Through experiences.
She's the best.
Yes.
She's the best. Anyways, all right, let's do this. So basically, Monica's just gonna do whatever she would want to do to my face. Let's see what happens. I went and showered, and I was like, Monica, go and get in the glam board, fill it up with all the products that you want to use on me, and this is what we have in front of us right now. All right, Monty, what's first? What are you gonna do first?
Let's see. Okay, so I'm supposed to use it before. Okay, I had to
Preppy
cheat.
and prime, it could be both.
Okay, good. We'll do before.
Good.
Okay, so. Oh, sorry. I'm really not good at this.
So you're doing concealer.
I know she does this little triangle thing because I watch her videos, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna dab it, okay? Because I'm really bad.
You're not bad. You're
Okay.
really not bad.
Hey, I did my own makeup.
And it looks
See,
great.
you taught me to put this in water, but there's no water right now, so we're just gonna dab it, okay?
At least you knew that.
I learned that from your red eye makeup thing. Close your eyes.
Okay.
That's all I know to do. You said to put it all over so it's all blended evenly, I think.
Isn't it funny how like growing up I thought I had big eyes,
But you do.
but like in comparison to our family,
You're one of us.
I don't know.
Yours are just ornament like jasmine. Ours are just big bobs that just pop out.
They're so good. I love it.
And the makeup artists love it.
Yeah, exactly.
Because they do all this funky stuff to your eyes.
I know.
Okay, I gotta do this again because I don't think I did this evenly.
I'm emceeing her wedding, you guys. Who's excited for Monica's wedding?
Me!
See, Monty, you could have been a makeup artist.
Do you remember when I asked you to jump off and I thought I was gonna catch you, but I didn't catch you? That was the first time she broke her arm. No,
First time,
that was the
not
third
me.
time. The first time she broke her arm was when what did you do? You were on the monkey, you ate some fried chicken at the neighbor's house? Okay, so now we're gonna put foundation on her. All right, y'all? And
I would say the brand.
oh, I'm sorry. This is Cover FX.
People want to know what color.
So this is Cover FX. The color is G plus 60.
Pretend like you're me. How would I
Oh.
say it?
Oh, God.
Put your YouTuber hat on.
This is why I don't do this.
Cover-
Cover FX Power Play Foundation. It's the G60 height. Boom, 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 boom. All right. She does like this thing. I'll put it on here.
Your hand, yeah.
It's not coming out. Oh, there. Got it. Okay. She does this. And then she dabs it with the beauty blender, y'all.
No, I put it directly to my face to save the product, especially since the beauty blender is not wet.
Okay.
Can I just do this for you just to get it a little wet?
Please.
This is a beauty hack. If your beauty blender and you don't have water around, at least use some setting spray to get it nice and
I didn't know
moist.
that. I just learned that. Okay, so you guys just dab. This is life of a doctor. We don't do busy stuff, okay? Here, give me that.
Doctor.
Okay. Hey, one of us had to be.
That's very true. Thank you for taking one for the team. She's
Yeah.
also marrying a dude who's like speaks Telugu too. So basically Monica's checked all of my parents' like dreams for us. So like I'm just like free to go. I'ma just do
No,
me.
she's not. I did me too. It just happened. Not me was
That's true.
what mom and dad wanted. That's the only thing.
Says every brown chick ever.
Hey, you guys, isn't that nice? It's nice and smooth. I like it. Make sure it's all even out, y'all. And I say y'all because I'm from Texas, so just
We're
get
from
used to it.
Texas.
So after that, I go straight to the blush.
Go make a brush it over there.
I'm sorry, y'all, I'll be back. I'm sure this is not a blush one, but I don't know the difference between blushes. Yeah, do the little duck thing. Ah, very nice. Oh, y'all, she did my homecoming makeup actually.
I did? That means I was how old?
So if I was 18 or 14.
This is in my blood, man.
Oh, look how natural. See, you have to do natural.
Yeah,
For work.
natural.
I can't pull out those like neon colors that you do. Can you put your own eyeliner on, please?
I think that's safe for everyone involved.
Because I'm really bad at, like, I don't want to poke you. That's amazing that you can just do that.
But mom can too.
Again, you are mother.
I know. We like butt heads because we're the same human.
So now I'm going to use eyeliner. It's Lash Bustier Ardell. Good. If I have kids, can you make their makeups?
Totally. I'm gonna be the best aunt.
Stop talking.
This is the first time in our entire lives that you're doing my makeup.
It's so true. It's not dark enough.
Yeah, I don't really like this liquid liner. Now what are you using, Stila?
Stila.
That's a good one.
Intense Black.
Any techniques for putting on liquid liner for a newbie?
There's a technique.
Guess not.
Close your eyes.
You're not an eyeshadow person either, huh?
Oh, I totally forgot about that.
That's fine.
I don't do it.
Yeah.
Because for ours, because we have dark eyes, when you put the concealer on top, it looks like eyeshadow already on your eye.
So Monty and I are 4 years apart.
You really are.
That was a fact. When I was younger, I used to ask her if I could go to sleepovers with her.
Now I ask her and she says no.
That's not true.
It looks good. I did okay, y'all. Oh, sorry. So I'm using the Bad Gal Bang Benefit. God, they're so much easier than mine. Okay, very pretty. See, that's a natural look. I like natural. Let's fix. Oh, I forgot a lipstick.
No highlighter, no brows, none of that. You don't mess with all that.
So this is just work, but I do like doing highlighter, and there was too much stuff in yours. Oh my God, it was overwhelming.
There's 3 highlighters in front of you. But
Oh, there is? Okay, so this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow More? Oh, 507 Daybreak. I'm sorry, y'all.
This one's like, I feel like you gotta know how to use it. How would you use this, Monty?
I have no idea. You never taught me like this. You taught me the one that's like,
A powder.
yeah, or like the rolling thing. I don't know. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I actually do. So this one you can actually like take and put directly in your foundation first
Whoa.
for like an all over glow.
No, we don't want that.
Or you can take it and put drops and put it like the same way you did it with the foundation. You can do it like this.
But it's pink. Is it?
And then you just dab it on the parts of your face that you want it to be. So you can use a beauty blender or your hand finger.
I'll use my finger. Finger's the best way. Don't make faces. It's to highlight the nose, because you have a cute little button nose.
It's gotten bigger. It used to be small. What happened?
I don't know. It has though.
Right? I actually.
But you know, those are things that grow. This and these.
Really? Are my ears? Are you saying?
Oh, your ears are not bigger. Oh, nice glow. Let's put more glow in places. Glow.
I'm going dad in my makeup.
I think he's did better than me.
Technically. He was so stressed.
As am I.
Monica's an incredible dancer, guys. When we were younger, she was the dancer and I was the talker.
Dude, I'm good. I can totally not do this over my life. Oh, crap.
What?
I put the highlighter up here. It's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, right. And then like right here, right?
Yeah.
With the little ear dimple.
Your butt chin.
Okay, very pretty, y'all. It looks amazing, doesn't it? I think she looks great. Let's do pink, because you're wearing like this pink color robe.
I'm in a robe, per usual.
Oh, but this is a really bright pink, but that's okay, you can pull it off. Oh, I'm sorry. This is, Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy 250 Quiet Riot.
I don't think I've ever worn this color.
I wanted a more of a duller tone, but that's okay. We'll save this because summer's about to happen.
Just think of it like surgery.
No, it's not the same. This is harder.
I've been saying that to our family my whole life.
You're ruining the shape of your lip.
I'm trying to help.
That didn't work. Okay, let's see. I don't have a napkin, but we'll just work with it. Ooh. It looks good. Okay, y'all, you can fix the lip part of it.
So I'm done.
Basically.
Okay.
Look at it. It looks beautiful.
Oh.
Less the better. But fix the lip, please. Yeah, you smeared it.
Oh, I smeared it.
Yes, because you were going with your eyes. See?
I'm not at it. Let's stick to being a doctor.
That's the plan. Trust me, this is stressful.
Stand up straight. I sound like our mother, but stand up straight.
I'm sitting straight.
I am proud of you.
Thank you.
This looks great, and I'm so excited for your wedding.
So am I. It'll be a lot more makeup than this, for sure.
For sure. Okay guys, I think Monica needs to come on my channel more often. By the way, she's fluent in Telugu. If you guys want to see her do my makeup in Telugu, let me know because it's hilarious. Can you say a sentence in Telugu? That's a lie. She knows it so well. I think next time she does my tutorial in Telugu.
Can I give a suggestion?
Okay, go.
I think Dinesh can speak better than all.
That's true. If you guys, Dinesh is her future husband and my future brother-in-law. If we can convince him to actually be on camera, you know how hard that is?
Okay, now you have lipstick all over your teeth.
That's a really good idea. If you guys want to see my brother-in-law do my
Or we
makeup,
can tag team it.
y'all should do a voiceover. My sister and brother-in-law do my voiceover. They're like really annoyingly cute. It's like kind of annoying. Do you want to do my outro?
What's that?
Like what I say when I end my videos?
If you like this video, please subscribe to Deepica on YouTube and like our video and comment. Likes. See you next time.
Bye guys.
Mwah, mwah.
That was pretty good, Bonnie.